Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Library. In today's video, we will cover the select command in SQL. Till now, we have covered create and insert command. That is from one is create is from DDL and the insert is from DML. So we will cover select command from DQL, that is data query language. uh, we will cover one by one all the commands so that you can have a better idea on all the SQL commands. So we will start with select today. So let's go to our Oracle SQL developer. This is my query editor. So select is basically used to query data from a database. So if uh, anyone asks you in interview that what is the use of select, so you can just simply say that select is used to query data from a database. It is a data query language command. uh, the syntax for select is select star from employees. So I have employees table in my database and I want to see the data in the employees table. So if I run this select star from employees, this will give me entire data from my that table, particular table which I mentioned in my select class. So this is my employee table and this is all the data from my entire employees table. So if I want to see only particular columns, star will give me all the columns along with all data along with all the columns. So what if I only want to see a particular or any specific column? So suppose if I want to only see the employee ID, so for that I can simply write as select employee ID from employees. So this will give me only the employee ID column. Star will give me all the columns, and if I want any specific column, then that column name I should mention in this place of star. So if I run this, so this will give me only employee ID column. So if I want to add one more column like first name I want to see, for that I can give comma employee ID comma first name, and if I run this will give me two columns. So likewise I can give as many as column name that I want to see, or I can give select star from employees. So this will give me all the important or all the columns from my that particular table. So we will cover where clause also in this video. So where clause also, so we will see uh, how we can filter the data using where clause. So this is a basic interview question. The interviewer must ask you like what is where clause. So you can simply say that where clause is used to filter out the data from the database. So any specific filter that you want to apply on your table or on your query, that you can achieve by using where clause. So for that where can be used with your select. So if suppose I want to see only those record where employee ID is equals to 100. So I want to see only those record where employee ID equals to 100. For that I can write as select star from employees where, this is my keyword where, this is my where clause, where the filter condition that I want to apply here, employee ID equals to 100. So if I run this will only give me record where employee equals to 100. See, so suppose if I want to pass a string here, so string I need to pass in single quotes. Suppose I want to see only those record where last name is king. So for that I can write a select star from employees where last name equals to king. So string king is my string value. This is my varchar data type, and for string I have to give pass the parameter in single quotes, like whatever the filter condition I'm applying, that should be in single quote, and the value should be same as the value in your table. So If I run this, see, this will give me all the records where last name is like king. So this is how I can use my where clause also. So we have covered select and where clause in this video. From next video, we will cover delete, truncate and drop command together in one video, so that you will have a better idea on these commands. And these commands are very important in with your interview perspective. So just stay tuned and practice on select and where clause. Thank you. Like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.